The Nürburgring Nordschleife is the most demanding track in the world. A single lap is over 20 kilometers long and features more than 150 corners. It is the ultimate place to test road and race cars to extremes. That is why Cyan Racing remained at the circuit after the 2016 WTCC Race of Germany for a secret test. Cyan Racing's knowledge from 2 decades of engineering Volvo cars for racing was utilized, merging learnings from track to road for Polestar cars. The objective was to take the performance of the Volvo S60 Polestar road car as far as possible. The result was record-breaking. Although not the original intention, the S60 Polestar, engineered by Cyan Racing, broke the then lap record for road-legal 4-door cars at the Nürburgring. Being Swedish, we didn't want to shout about the record, just learn from the experience. The learnings were so important, not only for road car development, but also for the race team, that we had to keep it secret for a full year. Revealing now just days before we return for the 2017 WTCC Race of Germany. The learnings from the test will be used on the WTCC race cars, as well as future road cars from Polestar. Polestar Cyan Racing, transferring knowledge from track to road.